Welcome to Birdland.
Do I cue the Jurassic Park music?
Yes. That one. He has such a weird little like cowl on. I don't know, I think we got a straggler. Or a break-in. I think that one that blends in is probably the girl. Yeah, because it has like the same like tail feather. There's like 6 of these bad boys over here.
Gorgeous. Are you getting
They
video?
are, yeah. The little one scared the big one away. Those are beautiful. I don't know.
I got the video, so if you get pictures.
I got a video, yeah, that's coming out better. Gray is just incredible. If you birds want to come live with us, I'll leave my address. I know, he's like carrying that wood. What if he's building a nest?
Just some ducks.
He was like on that duck.
Are you guys doing a mating dance? What's going on with them?
I know, right? You keep an eye out. These are some very familiar birds.
This bird is literally right in front of me. We're not allowed to feed you.
Someone's been feeding you, boys.
We are not allowed to feed you, so you better stop asking. I wish I could, I'm sorry. It's bad for you.
You're so pretty.
You're so please?
Hi.
Please?
I think we're almost to the end. We got a little exiting group. So as we're leaving Birds of Eden and Monkeyland, there's just a ton of wild baboons just chilling out there, which is crazy. Oh, babies.
She's got a baby underneath her.
That means that they're African, right?
Well, yeah, babe, these are African. That's crazy. I think she's checking him for fleas. I'm up close. Aww. So cool.
So cute.
You can see it?
Yeah, I can see it just from here.
Fame. Fame. Like, what would they do if we got out?
Hey, this one is right there.
One in the back.
Yeah.
I forgot we got this chocolate log, so this could be the next candy that I try. Better than I was expecting. This is just like really fluffy. I like it. Do you like it?
Yep. They're like the biggest gerbils ever.
Groot.
Okay, we're at the big tree.
Groot Boom big tree. This is our last stop at Tsitsikamma. And then we drive to our Airbnb, which is about an hour and a half.
Yeah. Is this it?
Is this it?
Because I have to say, I've seen more impressive trees.
That's a cool tree. That's pretty cool.
I mean, it is a big one. Compared to everything around it, which is probably the weird part. So this is the big tree, the Groot Boom. Groot Boom. You think Groot is tree or big? Probably tree, right?
Probably tree.
One last time, the Groot Boom. The Groot Bloom.
What are you calling it?
The Groot, oh, the Groot Boom.
Oh my god.
It can't take me anywhere. Sorry. That train came out of nowhere. I didn't realize it was going to be quite like that.
What are you doing?
I didn't bust you.
Oh my gosh. Your driving ability is questionable at times.
Fantastic.
Okay. We're pulling up
400
to
meters, turn right.
Zorbrand, our Airbnb for the night. Okay, so we found it. We pushed a button. They opened the gate. But man, they could have had more specific directions and stuff on what to do. Like, we still need to know
understand what to do, man.
what to do from this point. Okay, so after much trial and tribulations, we finally arrived at our Airbnb, which is this cute little rustic place. Comes with wine and some crunchy bars.
That's nice.
Or no, chomp bars, my bad. I wish we'd known, we wouldn't have bought those candy bars, but it's fine. So there's the little TV area, bed, sitting area, and as Francisco remarked as we walked in, this is the place with the weird bathroom. So there is no door to the bathroom. That's interesting. It's so weird. Why would you do that? I mean, it's cute. Everything is super cute here, but no door to a bathroom? And then the other side is the kitchen area, which again is super cute. So I don't know if they like converted this place from like a barn or a stable or something. But I mean, it's really cute. Just, I don't know who wouldn't want a door on their bathroom, man. That's so weird.